I'm going to be completely transparent with you from the start. I have been knee-deep in crypto platforms for years, testing them, breaking them, losing tokens on some of them, making coins on others, and the thing that's been consuming most of my research time lately is AI automated trading, like the actual mechanics of how these systems work, how bots are executing trades faster than any human ever could, and specifically the arbitrage side of all that. So today I'm showing you one of these things testing, and then I'm going to give you something that took me years of mistakes to figure out, how to actually tell the real stuff from the junk. All right, let me walk you through what a properly functioning AI trading bot actually looks like. I've got the platform on screen right now, and I'm tapping launch bot. Okay, it's loaded. So the very first thing it's putting in front of me is trading pair. And the reason you're seeing this many coins listed here is straightforward. This platform is operating across 15 plus exchanges at the same time, which is exactly what creates this kind of flexibility. Okay, here I'm switching to live mode, and now this address field comes up. So I'm jumping over to Trust Wallet to grab that. Okay, copying it, switching back to the platform, and just pasting it. Perfect. Next is capital allocation. This is literally just how much the bot is working with this session. So I'm setting mine to, somewhere right there. Okay, and then risk level is right below that. And look, I want to spend 2 seconds on this because it actually matters. This slider is basically the bot's confidence style. Crank it up and it starts pursuing more aggressive opportunities. Keep it down and it plays things closer to the chest. I'm landing mine at something measured. Not timid, but not reckless either. And then the last piece is bot strategy, which is just a specific game plan the AI is going to lock into for this session, the method it uses to find and close price gaps between all exchanges. Okay, I'm scanning the full setup one more time here. Yeah, everything looks exactly right. Let's actually do this. Okay, so deposit time. And actually, real quick, I want to point something out here because I think it's kind of underrated. See this coin selector right here? I'm not stuck sending Solana. Like I can grab whatever token I happen to have in there and just send that. The platform figures out the rest and converts it on their end automatically, which, I mean, it sounds like a small thing, but that kind of flexibility actually saves me a headache. Good, hitting I've sent, and good, session is started. Dashboard is live right here, trades are firing, win rate is building up, average spread is tracking. Also, there's a chart capturing the whole thing in real time. Honestly, a really clean layout for how much is actually happening underneath. And now it's just waiting mode for a few minutes. Okay, so we're back, now pressing stop. And this screen light here is basically the complete picture of everything that just happened. Total runtime, every trade that went through, which strategy was active throughout, my win rate, and the final profit figure with the platform's percentage already stripped out. That number at the bottom, that's the one. Okay, I'm tapping withdraw and just hanging here while that clears. Takes a few minutes to actually reflect on my balance. And I want to fill that window of something I think is actually worth your time. So before I get into the experience stuff, let me actually explain what this bot is doing mechanically, because I think people just assume it's complicated and move on without really getting it. It's actually pretty elegant when you break it down. The bot is constantly scanning the price of the same coin across all those exchanges simultaneously, every second, nonstop. And when it finds that coin priced differently in 2 places, like Solana is a few dollars cheaper on one exchange and a few dollars more expensive on another, it buys on the cheap side and sells on the expensive side, almost instantly. That price gap, however small, is the profit, and the AI is what makes it fast enough to actually catch these windows before they disappear, because they close in seconds, sometimes even less than that. A human sitting at a screen simply cannot compete with that reaction time. That's the whole thing in a nutshell. Okay, so now the part I actually care about most in this video. I have spent years going through crypto platforms with a proper testing process. And in doing that consistently, I have landed inside scam projects more times than I'm comfortable saying out loud. And the thing that genuinely never stops surprising me is where these things are located. The majority of fake platforms are just woven directly into the same information landscape where you'd expect to find something completely legitimate, living right alongside the real stuff, wearing almost the same clothes. So, from getting burned enough times to have actually changed my behavior permanently, here are the two things I look at first before anything else. First one is website design. Fakes almost always look slightly wrong. Not broken, not obviously fake, just slightly misaligned in ways that are hard to immediately articulate. Fonts that don't match properly between pages, sections that feel like they were pulled from different sources and assembled together, images that have that generic quality that doesn't really fit what the platform is presenting itself as. A platform that's genuinely built to operate long-term has to make the user experience work properly, because their business depends on people staying and coming back. A platform that isn't built for that doesn't have the same pressure, so the interface tends to end up either unnecessarily complicated in ways that serve no real purpose, or surprisingly bare in ways that don't match the platform's claims. Like just enough surface to look operational without actually functioning the way something real would. And when both of those things are present at the same time in the same place, I'm already out. Thanks for watching.